back muli sa ating live. Tayo dadako na sa ating third quarter. Official score 25-9. Lamang pa rin tayo dito. Dire-diretso, wala. Out of bounds. Wala na ang San Beda. Uy! Nako-play! Ng San Beda doon. Nahilito na ang ating team. What a nice move para sa San Beda. Easy 2 points para sa mga nakapula. Di napansin. Go, Xavier. Official score is 25-10. According na sa ating official po, ha. Depano. Pass to you. And there's a foul. Number 55. Brody with the ball. Going for his teammate, binigay, Cow, and a triple team, but there's a foul. Xavier School basketball. Cut and shoot, short, offensive rebound, basket is good by you. Sorry, that's Cow. Another diretso, no good. Offensive rebound by Cole. You. And that's a step in on the line. Del Rosario. Pass number 7. Kick out from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by you. You, pass to Depano. Depano, pass to Jerwin. What nice fake. QC Douglas. Nakalusot si Jerwin Tan. Ayan na. Uy, bagsak. Naka-recover number 30. Up and under. Out of bounds. What a nice side step para kay Jerwin Tan. Parang manang-mana kay Sir Erwin. Okay. Bola natin. 29-10. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's go. Depano. Pass to Jerwin. To Cow. Back to Depano. To Jerwin. Catch and shoot. No good. Last touch. Bola ng San Beda. Ayun na ang San Beda nagmamadali. Uy, nakaldag si Jerwin. Pass to number 14, Del Rosario. Oopsie. And that's a traveling violation. Ayun na ang Xavier. Depano, back to Jerwin. Pass to Cow. Or Cow. Depano, out of bounds, same ball. Uy, uy. Mukhang nagkaka-pisikalan sa loob. Jerwin and number 6. Sorry, that's number 8. Del Rosario. Uy, bad pass. Uy, naka-recover. Number 8. What a nice pass to number 5. Too strong nga lang. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Brody. Brody, nagmamadali. Brody, 3 against 3. Brody, sumalaksak. And out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Ayun na, kick out. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin with the hesi. Jerwin sumalaksak. And offensive foul nga lang ang tawag doon. Ayun na, San Beda. Number 8. Number 8 with a strong shot. No good. Rebound by Cole. Back to Jerwin. To Depano. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin. Woo! Pinagpagang depensa. Depano. Atake. Sidestep. Tumira. Basket yan. Grabe ang improvement ang mga bata ngayon. Taon ng Xavier. Ayan na. Number 5. Steal by Cole. Depano nagmamadali. Depano sumalaksak. Basket yan. Timeout. San Beda. Official score is 33-10. In favor pa rin sa atin. Time remaining 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. Four minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Bola ng San Beda. Man-to-man defense ang Xavier dito. Oy, bad pass. Recover. You with a shot, no good. Offensive rebound, no good. Kyoto, no good. Against with a rebound. You pass to Depano. Wala. Rebound by Cow. Another one. And there's a foul. Iba na ang matangkad, sabi ni Cow. Substitution para sa Xavier. Labas muna dito sila Jerwin and Depano. At ipapasok dito sila Titus. Lalabas din si Yu. Cole on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Basket by Gagi. Number 11. Ay ng San Beda. Number 5. Running shot. Out of bounds. Bola ng Xavier. Gagi. Uy, what a nice pass! Napalakas nga lang ang tira doon. Mari-rebound. What a nice save by number 0 ng San Beda. Number 33, 39 na atake. Number 39, binangga, tumira, and there's a foul. Shooting in the line, the jersey number 39, San Beda. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound, number 14. Fadeaway shot, no good. Offensive rebound by Go. Pass to Gagi. Ayan na ang triple team. Out of bounds, last touch. Xavier School basketball. Yu maglalabas ng bola. Yu. Uy, bad pass. Same ball. Pass to Titus. Tang, running shot. Swak na swak yan para kay Titus Tang. Uy, out of bounds. One minute and 50 seconds. Gagi. Pass to Titus for 3. Yes, para sa 3. Ay, Titus Tang. Oh, another steal. Cheng all the way. No good. Offensive rebound. Cheng, no good. Out of bounds. Ayang. Unti ka na. Bola ng San Beda. Number 39. Binigay sa corner. Number 24. Out of bounds. Oh, sorry. There's a foul. Last 50 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Number 39. Pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario with the spin. Pass to number 9. Number 9 running shot. No good. Rebound by Yu. Outlet pass. Steal by Del Rosario. Out bounds na lang. Bola ng Xavier. Time remaining. Last 36 seconds tayo. Titus for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. No good again. Nagagawan. Makukuha ng San Beda. Ay na dire-diretso at naipit. But wrong foul. Ang tawag. Time team remaining. Last 8 seconds. Substitution para sa San Beda. That is Zafra, number 39. First shot is good. Zafra again, basket, 2 for 2. Cheng. Pass to Gagi. Hand off to Cheng. Pinigay. Titus from elbow 3. 3 points once again para kay Titus Tang. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score 43-12. Lamang pa rin tayo dito ng 31 points. This is the biggest league of the game ng ating school. Alright, tayo daw na sa ating fourth and a final quarter. Makakahabag kaya dito ang malalaman natin yan maya maya lamang. Fourth quarter game. Ayan na, maikpit na ang depensa ng Xavier dito. Tatapikan. Uy. Last touch. Gagi. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Nabitawan. Naka-recover. Number 7. Back to number 5. Oopsie. And that's a traveling. Xavier School basketball. Number 25, pass to Gagi. Stop and pump. No good. Offensive rebound. There's a foul. That is pushing foul. Bola ng San Beda. Number 9 to number 11. Cut and shoot. Too strong. Rebound. Niu. Cheng. Pass to Go. Go. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Using the glass. Basket yan. 45 and 12. Number 8 to number 7. Number 7. To number 6. Uy, no good. Rebound by you. Ayun na, si number 9. Cheng with the use in the glass. No good. Rebound by number 10. To number 9. Go. To Cheng. Pass to Gagi. Uy, what a goal movement. No good nga lang. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 55. Nabitawan. Naka-recover. Number 55. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Step back to short. Out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. Official score po natin. 47 and 12. Hindi ko pa nalagay ang score ng kanina. Gagi, pass to number 9. To Cheng. To Gagi. Gagi, running shot. Wow, what a nice shot by Gagi. Number 7. To number 55. Pinasa sa corner. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 10. Go. Nice save. Steal by number 55. To number 9. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Gagi. Gagi with a fake. Ayan na ang double team. And there's a foul. Number 55. Last 6 minutes. Number 11 to number 10. Pass to number 25 to number 11. Ayan na ang double team. Kick out. Number 55, running shot. Basket by Cheng. (51-12). Number 7. Number 21, sidestep, no good. Rebound by number 39. Wala. Offensive rebound. Oopsie, there's a foul. Wala ng Xavier. Jerwin. Oopsie. There's a foul. San Beda basketball. Sai. Running shot. Uy. Bola natin. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Jerwin, pass to, oh, steal, number 15, no good. Oopsie. Bola natin, Jerwin Tan. Pass to Gagi, to Brody, back to Jerwin. Pass to number 10, floater, basket, it's good. 53-12. Dwayne gets the 3, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 39, wala. Rebound by Iko. Steal, Sai, atake. Out of bounds. 41-point lead ang lamang natin dito. Bola ng San Beda. Time remaining 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Bounce pass. Tumira and 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 39. That is Zapra. Oopsie. In violation. 2 minutes and 54 seconds ng ating second half. You pass the call to Jerwin. Jerwin na atake, side step. Uy, sayang, tira na yun Jerwin. Steal. Ayan na, another steal by Jerwin. Jerwin Tan all the way, too strong. Rebound by Brody. Basket yan para kay Brody Kyoto. Sai. May tangan ng bola when there's a foul. That is a Jerwin Tan. Two minutes and 4 seconds. Bola ng San Beda. Oops, backcourt violation. Bola ng Xavier. Ayan na. Mapupunta kay Jerwin Tan with the ball. Pass to you. To Brody. Back to Jerwin. To you with the fake. Nice fake. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Cole. And there's a jump ball. Bola ng San Beda. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds. Number 7 to number 39. Back to number 7. Bad pass. Xavier School basketball. Ayun na. 1 minute and 25 seconds left. Jerwin Tan. Pass to you. Back to Tan. Jerwin. Naipit. Pinagay kay Brody. Brody sumalaksak. Too strong. Rebound by Cole. No good. Rebound again by Jerwin. Jerwin block. Rebound. Mapapunta sa San Beda. Uy, steal. Ayun na, see you. You. Back to Jerwin. Jerwin. Kinaliwa. What a nice pass by you to Tan. Grabe yun. What a smart play para sa Xavier. And selfish play. Nakita ni Yu. Si Tan, libre-libre. At kinaliwa pa ni Tan yun. Oops. There's a foul. Time remaining. Last 48 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Ayan na, number 14, handoff to number 8. Number 8, top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Brody to Jerwin. Jerwin, binababa rito ang bola. Jerwin, pass to you. Back to Jerwin. Jerwin with the cross. Binigay kay Brody. Brody with the catch and shoot. Short. Rebound by Del Rosario. Del Rosario magbababa ng bola. Ayan na, didepensa ni Yu. Pass to number 8. Number 8, step back 3. Short. Pinigay kay number 4. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee. Offensive rebound number 4. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Yu. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and a nice game from both teams. Ayan, our final score 55-17 or sorry 57. Flash shot dito si Jerwin kanina. 57-17 with a 40-point lead to win this game. And a nice game para sa San Beda. At ito po ang ating unang panalo this season sa Parada Basketball League. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. At sa inyong sa mga parents na kasama natin dito nanonood ang ating live. Ayan, Sir Benedicto Kyoto and the rest of the parents. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And okay, our first win of this season, 57-17 ang ating final score. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone and keep safe. hanggang sa muli.
Richard, ito yung number mo?
Po.